Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It is our day 3 and today I have a special surprise for you. For all my Harry Potter fans out there, we will go to Harry Potter Land! Sorry, hindi ako pwede masyado magingay kasi residential to. Alam niyo naman dito sa Japan, nakakahiya. Well, anyway, go with us and let's enjoy this day! Hi guys! So naglalakad na tayo papuntang Harry Potter. Pakita ko sa inyo what we are working with. Dito pa lang tayo sa entrance. Ayan siya. Oh, yung serpent. Sa likod ko. Yan na yan! Come with me. Welcome to Harry Potter, Tokyo! Here we go. So nice. So ayan guys, currently nakapila kami. Nga pala pag pupunta kayo dito, i-download niyo yung wallpaper, like so. Dahil bibigyan kayo ng passport. Here it is guys, activity passport. The Making of Harry Potter by Warner Brothers Studio. Ang ganda. Ay shucks. Ay shucks. Boom, ang ganda. So eto na nga guys, merong special na passport which is yung shiny. So, we get to have 2 passports. Yung isa normal, yung isa shiny. Oh my gosh! Welcome to the food hall, guys! Allah! Oh my gosh, so classic! Pabili na tayo ng food. Ito yung lalagyan ng toad, diba? Yung chocolate frog.
Oo, yung frog.
Ayan, ang laki! So, of course, they have desserts. Siyempre. Ala yung cookies! The Great Hall. Ayan. So ito guys, yung mga food nila. I'll zoom you in. Ayan yung mga food nila. So ayan guys, just in case gusto nyong kumain dito, pagdating nyo, eto na yung mga price. Oh, pag-ipunan nyo na yan. Ayan siya. Ayan, yan yung menu dito sa Harry Potter. Diba? So guys, this is what we got. I got a cheeseburger with a side of fries and pickles. Si Leomar nag-order sa
Kids meal.
ng kids meal curry. Pero may sausage, may hash brown, merong side of fries, at merong dessert and salad. Siyempre, ang habol namin dito yung rice. Pero ang totoong habol niya, yung inumin. And then, si Leomar kumuha din ng cheeseburger with a side of fries and pickles. And of course, si Carla kumuha ng shepherd's pie. Laban! Guys, kain na tayo. Itadakimasu. Oh. na guys, start na tayo. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Enjoy! Guys, nga pala itong Harry Potter na studio na ito is andito lahat ng mga The Making. Ayan. Diba, very classic. Ang gaganda. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. One of my favorite series ng book. Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. Mga latter part na to. And of course, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Who can forget about this? So guys, ito ang guided tour. Ay, sinama din nila ang Fantastic Beasts. Ayun Guys, andito na tayo. So since Warner Brothers Studio to, ayan lahat ng installation ng Harry Potter. The legendary J.K. Rowling. Ang ganda. Oh! Oh my gosh, guys, welcome to the Great Hall. Wow. Guys, in real life. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. And of course, Professor Snape, Professor Dumbledore. Mag-apply na kayo ng Japanese visa. Punta na kayo dito ngayon din. Oh guys, kain na. Your feast is ready for you. Oh, hanggang sa dulo yan. Uy! Ang ganda dito. Sobra. Pasok naman tayo dito sa mga collections of things all throughout the films. Nakikita nyo yung mga models na kung saan, paano na gawa yung mga bahay doon. Ayan. Ang galing. Ayan sila. Tapos ito yung sa loob. Ito yung hall. Ay, yung study area ni ni Professor Dumbledore. Ito yung Great Hall na nakita natin kanina. Grabe. Yung detail. Amazing. Actually, itong buong set, para kang nasa loob ng set talaga. Grabe. Oh, ayan guys, oh. Oh. Pero yun lang. Siyempre, bawal nating pasukin at itry. Siyempre, may mga moving pictures. Hi guys, nagmo-move yung staircase. Eee! Nice! Ang galing! Of course, the classic Fat Lady Sings portrait. At ito yung pumalit sa kanya. Ito yung Gryffindor's fireplace. Grabe. Ito siya guys. And then next, dito na tayo sa may Slytherin common room. my house. Ang ganda, guys. So as you can tell, I am a Slytherin. I'm part of this. Ganda. Ang ganda ng common area namin. Laban. Mga kasama kong Slytherin. Hi, guys! Guys, it's Quidditch time! Nimbus 2000 and Nimbus 2001. Things. Meron kang blodger. Oh my gosh. Tapos andyan yung snitch, of course. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with this. Sila Professor Dumbledore. Dito na tayo sa study room ni Professor Dumbledore. Andun yung Phoenix. Gumagalo yung Phoenix. Of course, yung practice na dummy nila. Nung sila ay nag-i-ensayo or nag-train. Ang favorite nating lahat. Ang number 1, the Elder Wand. Number 2, katabi niya is yung yung one ni Harry Potter. Number 3 is yung kay Voldemort, Bellatrix Lestrange, Malfoy, and everything. And everyone's wand. Sana makita nyo. Medyo madilim kasi. Dito na yung mga potions. Ayan sila. Mga Root of Emerald. Root of Emerald! Ayan. Potion making, guys. Ayan tayo. Nagbi-mix siyang mag-isa. Mga professor, of course. Yung library, guys. Ang laki ng snake. Yee. Parang buhay na buhay yung snake. Sorry. Nalala nyo yung mga rules na pinapako nung ayan sila. Ang daming rules. We're entering the Forbidden Forest. Oh my gosh. Even the floor feels weird. Grabe yung pagkakagawa dito, guys. Oh my gosh. Kung andito kayo, ramdam. Oh my gosh. Andito ang favorite natin, si Hagrid. Of course, the buck braid. Of course, the classic car. The Weasley car. Diyos ko, pag andito kayo, guys, pati yung ultimo yung amoy ng parang handbrake na sunog, yun yung amoy ng car. The centaurs. Nandito na tayo sa labas na part. And of course, alam nating lahat kung ano to. Ito yung bahay ni Hagrid. Ayan, guys. Diba? Ganda. Naalala niyo to, guys? Oo naman, dapat naalala niyo to. Dapat alam niyo to. Charis, pasok tayo dyan sa loob. Ayan, oh. Ay, powerful. Ang lalaki. Yee. The ponds. You have the knight. Kompleto, guys. Oh. Pero again, pasok na tayo dun sa bridge. Here we go. This is the Hogwarts Bridge. Akyat. Sana guys, nag-enjoy kayo. Kasi ako, mga baby girl, mga baby boy, talagang enjoy na enjoy ako dito. Sana hindi lang ako. Here we go. Pero guys, it's more educational than entertaining. It's very entertaining to yung point na syempre nakikita mo lang to sa movie dati and you get to experience it live. Pero pag yung talagang fun and excitement, I would recommend na you go to Universal Studios, also in Japan, pero in Osaka, yun talaga. May rides, yung talagang pagbibili ka ng wand, may mga demonstration and whatnot, ganon. So, ayun. Okay, guys. So, I hope you all had fun and nabigyan ko ng justice yung pagpapakita ko sa inyo dito sa Harry Potter by Warner Brothers dito sa Tokyo. Pero, i-cut ko muna tong video for now. Pero I really do hope you had fun, you enjoyed this video and all of my videos. And if you did, please don't forget to leave a like, share this video and all of my videos to all of your friends and family. And of course, subscribe to my channel, our channel, para tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya and tuloy-tuloy ang adventures natin all around the world. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah! Guys, bonus clip. Welcome to Diagon Alley. Oh my gosh. Wow. Of course, Oliver Swan. Wow. Perfect.